Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Depop. So first of all, you need to simply launch your Depop application. Then you just have to log in into your app if you haven't already. Now over here, tap on the option of My Depop in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then tap on the option of this gear icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, you need to tap on the option of profile. Then here you are going to see the last option of country. So if it is selected as United States or any of the English speaking country, then you are going to see the language inside the application in English only. But you just have to simply select that particular language among the given list over here that you want to change. So for example, let's say if you select the option of Venezuela, then the language of your Depop application is going to be turned into Spanish. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.